This one is an absolute bang for your buck, and sound is not the only reason. Before starting, for this month's giveaway, Moondrop Tutu is winning. To participate, just subscribe and comment, and the winners will be announced on April 30th. These are Moondrop May, Moondrop's attempt to rule yet another segment. So is it successful? Let's find out. In terms of build quality, I would say it's a good build quality. Current Moondrop style with a resin body and metal plate. Metal plate has some design which you might like or might not. It comes with some pathetic ear tips. It is not even for this nozzle size. Moondrop, what made you think that it is a okay thing to do? It took me 5 to 7 minutes just to put the ear tips on the nozzle, and I did that forcefully. However, where it compensates is cable. It has excellent cable. The cable is same as that of Moondrop Aria 2. It is an excellent cable for the price, and I'm not even talking about DSP yet. It is a sturdy, good quality cable, and I think Moondrop felt bad with the ear tips, so they threw an excellent leather case as well, which is an excellent addition at this price. Now let's talk about specification and drivability. These are the specifications of Moondrop May. It is a 2-driver setup, one DD and one planar, which is easy to drive. However, the star of the show here is DSP cable. It is a cable with Type-C connector with DSP built in. Comment down if you want me to make a video on DSP and how it works. You will have no issue driving them with any smartphone. They get fairly loud very easily. If you want, you can run them via dongle as well. For that, if you have another 2-pin cable lying around, you can easily do that. Comfort wise, nothing to say here. They're light and comfortable, so no complaints here. So let's see how the application does. One word: buggy. While the overall presentation of Moondrop Link 2 app is solid, it is not a very good app for DSP cables. Sometimes it does not detect the IEM itself. Whenever you change the preset and if you click apply, it shuts off, restart, your music is off, you have to start it again. So the overall app experience was very bad. It comes with 5 presets in terms of EQ as well, like standard, bass, VDSF, Harmon, etc. I, as usual, tested it with standard EQ and with standard ear tips as well. So here's the sound for you. Moondrop may have a U-shaped tuning. It is a type of tuning which goes well with all kind of music, and it is the case with Moondrop May as well. These are versatile IEMs for music listening experience with their full body sound. Let's discuss in detail, starting with the bass. Bass is the excellent part of these IEMs. It is slightly boosted, it is warm, and it is enjoyable. However, it is not a very tight bass. Overall, it has a very good extension as well. It is a very strong suit for these IEM. Bass has good texture and body, and it has some good sub-bass rumble as well. If you listen to EDMs on this, for example, if you listen to Blah 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 by Armin van Buuren, around 45 seconds the bass hits you hard. It has body, it has texture. It is just a lovely experience. If I talk about mids, in the mids they have a little warmer presentation. It makes the male vocal sounds very good, and with forward vocals, female vocals, detailed instruments, it makes a very good listening experience. Treble is smooth on these IEMs as well, with good details and enough sparkle to enjoy those shimmery hits. And at the same time, it is not a fatiguing treble. Though if you feel the shrill in the standard tuning, you have plenty of option to adjust as per your liking. Additionally, when I say good instrument details, do not mistake these as good detailed IEMs. Detail on these sets is just average. I would say it is around at the level of Truthear Zero Red, or maybe a little less. However, at the same time, imaging is decent. If the track is not too busy, they are very good and precise. For sound staging, it's a well-balanced IEM. It has that feel of depth as well. It is somewhat an holographic sound stage. Listen to Limit to Your Love by James Blake, around 2 minutes 47 seconds. With that rumbly bass, you get those cymbal hits around the distance. So these are fun IEM for that perceived sound stage and give the music that sense of space. Moondrop May has overall good balance, rhythm and pace as well. It adds a very good physicality to the music and overall makes it a very enjoyable listening experience. However, in terms of dynamics, these are not very dynamic set, especially at low volumes, and again especially for DSP. At low volumes, they lose a lot of details, and interestingly, I enjoyed these IEM with analog and a DAC more than the DSP. Now for the comparison, let's compare Moondrop May with Moondrop Aria 2 and Moondrop Red. For the build quality, all are good. However, I found Aria 2 to be more sturdy and better built. and at the same time Red is better accessorized. May comes with DSP, so I would say all are good packages for the price. In terms of bass, Moondrop May has best extension of bass. Sub-bass rumble is very good in Moondrop May as well, and at the same time Red's mid bass is just tight. However, Aria 2 has better overall texture and feel for low frequencies amongst the three. For the mids, Red is a clear winner. It has the best mids. May and Aria 2 leans a little towards warmer side. However, the mids on Red are just gorgeous. Red and Aria has better details as well as compared to Moondrop May. Listen to A Case of You by Dinah Krall. There are cuffing sounds in the background. In Red and Aria, it's there. However, in May, you have to listen to it critically. Overall, I would say Moondrop May is a very good listening experience with really good package, and you do not need a DAC with it. However, at the same time, Red has better tuning overall, and Aria 2 is the best overall sound and package here. I almost forgot the mic response. Here's the mic response for you.
This audio is recorded with Moondrop May mic under fan noise.
It's a good mic option for calls and gaming, so I would say another good addition to these IEMs. In conclusion, I would give Moondrop May a 3.5 star. Who should get May? If you want a set of IEM under $60 to do it all and does not require DAC, I think it can be a solid option, especially for gamers out there and someone who wants to daily drive this IEM for various use cases. It is a versatile option with Type-C connection which can replace your bad sounding TWS earbuds. Solid comfort and mic is just cherry on the top. So this was it for Moondrop May. Do subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.